Hey there, welcome back to Beautyistic. You know, keeping your smile healthy and fresh can feel like a full-time job, especially if traditional flossing isn't your thing. Well, today we're taking a close look at a dental care bundle that promises to make flossing simpler, more effective, and honestly, a lot more satisfying. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser WP587 and Cordless Pearl Water Flosser WF13 in sleek black. If you're serious about gum health, or just tired of struggling with string floss, stick around. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Beautyistic review that could save your smile and your sanity. This bundle comes with 2 cordless water flossers designed for convenience and performance. The Cordless Advanced model features a rechargeable battery, 3 pressure settings, and includes 4 premium tips, perfect for targeting tricky spots. The Cordless Pearl adds a quiet operation, ergonomic grip, and 4 standard tips, making it ideal for everyday use or travel. Both are ADA accepted and recommended by 9 out of 10 dental professionals, clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque and improve gum health better than traditional floss. You also get a travel bag, which is a thoughtful touch if you're on the go. In terms of real-world use, I found both models surprisingly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The Cordless Advanced feels sturdy and well-balanced in the hand, while the Pearl's quieter design makes it a discreet option for early mornings or late nights. I tested them on different pressure settings, and each time, the flossers felt thorough without being harsh on my gums. Maneuvering around molars and along the gum line was straightforward, and I noticed my mouth felt cleaner immediately after use. The tips are easy to swap, and cleaning the reservoir is simple. No awkward angles or spills. If there's a minor downside, it's that the advanced model's higher pressure setting can feel a bit intense for sensitive gums, but for most users, it's adjustable and manageable. What I love is that these flossers cover the key pain points: portability, effectiveness, and ease of use. The pros include the cordless convenience, multiple tips, travel-friendly design, and clinically proven performance. The cons? A bit of learning curve for first-time users, and as mentioned, the highest pressure setting may be strong for sensitive mouths. Value for money is solid here. Considering you're essentially getting 2 high-quality water flossers in one bundle, along with a travel bag and multiple tips, it justifies the price. Compared to buying each model individually, this bundle offers real savings and versatility. If you're weighing options, other water flossers exist, but few combine portability, ADA approval, and professional recommendation in a single package. Build quality is robust. Both units feel durable, the buttons are responsive, and the battery life on each is impressive for cordless devices. With proper care, these should last years, maintaining consistent performance. If you're enjoying this review, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty and wellness enthusiasts can find this video too. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Waterpik has a strong reputation for customer support, and in my experience, they're responsive and helpful if you ever run into questions or need replacement tips. That peace of mind adds value, especially for an investment like this. If you're looking for alternatives on a slightly smaller budget, you might explore single-model water flossers, but none match the combination of cordless convenience, dual-model versatility, and multiple tips that this bundle offers. For serious oral hygiene or frequent travelers, it's hard to beat. In the end, this Waterpik bundle delivers on its promises. It's effective, convenient, and well-designed, making daily flossing easier and more enjoyable. Ideal for anyone who struggles with traditional floss, wants a cleaner, healthier smile, or travels often. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to grab this bundle is in the comments or description box. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.